Oh shit. My new cat is scared of its own shadow, I think. Oh no, it's scared of its own tail. Oh shit. Oh nice. Oh shit. Hey, don't run away. Don't run away. Oh shit. I couldn't get like my mom's friend gave us a cat. Holy shit. I never in my whole life expected to ever have a cat. Oh, in there. Oh. Oh. It's purring. Purring. No. Oh, fuck. This is exactly what I said to my mom. Maybe what if it fucking breaks shit? And like claws and how do you call it? The verb of scratching. It was scratching shit. But no, she said no, it won't. But no, it fucking does. I really hope it doesn't actually. We've actually taken care of like a cat before, like a grown-up cat for like a week. 3 years ago, I think, Christmas, and ignore the TV by the way. It actually fucking broke shit, like this fucking couch. It like scratched on some shit. I really hope this cat doesn't do that as well. I really hope you don't, Mr. Cat. Oh, just look at it. Oh, it's scared of me. Oh, so cute. But I'm so scared of it, of that it will have a bad life. It's like 11 weeks old, I think. We don't have a name. We don't have a name for it yet. It's so cute. Well, I'm gonna upload this video right now.